Burr, it was a cold morning. We cleared the sky conditions out last night, and we had a calm wind, and as a result, even with the snow on the ground, we had some fog develop across the area. And we had some nice pictures sent in. One of these, Lloyd Hampson of Battle Creek sent this in to report it. And you can see some of the light fog out there. And usually when you start out the morning with fog, you're going to see a fair amount of sunshine throughout the day, and that's exactly what's happening. Here's a live view over Allendale GVSU campus sky cam. Some sunshine out there mixed in with some clouds. One of the last locations to see a few flurries out there. They'll continue to kind of dissipate. There's a few lingering in around the Muskegon area, but overall, this is going to be a nice winter day. Here's the latest on the infrared satellite and radar composite. There's a west-southwest wind, and it's just enough to drag some lake effect clouds basically from Grand Rapids right down to around Saugatuck, South Haven, and to the north and west. These will continue to shrink, and we'll see increasing amounts of sunshine today. You can see those leftover flurries in around Muskegon. Why the nice weather? Well, we have an area of high pressure just west of Chicago that's slowly going to drift eastward and give us a very nice day. Although, you know, just like much of this winter, we get one, maybe two nice days, then here comes a system. That's going to be the case once again. I'll get to that in just a moment. In the meantime, a nice rebound with temperatures. We are all the way down to 4 below zero in Grand Rapids, 7 below in Kalamazoo, 6 below in the Holland area. So a very cold morning out there, even 14 below in Big Rapids. But the rebound is there, 17 degrees currently in Grand Rapids, but we'll still end up with temperatures a little bit below average. Current wind out there, calm in Grand Rapids. That's a nice thing considering all the wind we had the past couple weeks. Wind chill, well, not much of one. It's very close to the actual temperature. I'll start out 3 o'clock this afternoon. Look at all the sunshine out there as we head through the overnight. After midnight, we'll start to see a few clouds moving in. These are mostly mid and high level variety clouds. Tuesday morning, so we'll wake up to a few more clouds out there, and not much in the way of fog though. By later in the afternoon, by 6 o'clock, you'll start to see the first signs of some snow develop, especially from Kalamazoo, Battle Creek to the south. As I put this in motion, you can see more trying to creep to the north up to Grand Rapids by mid-evening tomorrow. Most of the accumulating snow with this next system, and it's not going to be much, will be Tuesday night and a very early Wednesday. The brunt of the storm is going to miss us off to the south. I think at most around I-94, we'll say the Vicksburg area over to Albion, to the south, including Coldwater, Quincy, right down to Cassopolis, the Three Rivers area, about 2 to 4 inches for you. Most of us will pick up about around 1 to 2 inches. But if you're on Big Rapids, Montague, the Hart area, probably an inch or less. So this is not going to be a back-breaking storm in terms of shoveling for sure, considering we've already hit 7 feet of snow for the season. Here's the 8-day forecast, and you can see continued cool right on through the stretch. Probably one of the colder days will be Thursday with highs in the upper teens. And we're kind of watching a storm system for this upcoming weekend. It appears that one's going to miss us off to the south and east, but we'll keep an eye on it.
Okay. That's all we can do. Stick with it. At least it's in the 20s,
yeah,
right? We can get to back to that point.
Instead of wind chills below zero.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Matt. Well,